Hello everyone, this is Gao. I open a series to talk about Chinese cooking basics. The very first video is egg fried rice. Not only I will show you how to make it, but also I will tell you when and where to season it. Normally, 2 eggs are enough. I cracked the 3 since they are quite small. Chop some green onions. This is leftover rice from the fridge. Long grain rice or round are both okay as long as the rice is not too soft or sticky. When frying the egg, the oil has to be smoking hot, and do not fully cook the eggs. Some part of the egg touched hot oil and immediately fried. Some eggs are just coming together while the rest are still liquid. Turn down the heat to medium and add a little bit oil, green onions, and all the salt. The amount of salt is based on the entire rice. We will not add any more salt later. This is a technique of how to season the food. You add extra salt to the ingredients which have more fat content or stronger taste. It will effectively intensify the flavor of the entire dish. Add some pine nuts, or you can use any other salted meat or shrimps. Then add the rice. While heating up, loosen the rice. Now add uncooked egg. Use chopsticks quickly break the egg into small pieces. The crispy fried egg and the solid part will remain the same shapes. However, the liquid egg will cool down some rice grains and get cooked. This is a simple technique to build different textures of one ingredient. Briefly stir around and turn off the heat. Here, we add all the salt to green onions, then cooked until fragrant with oil. The green onions are over-seasoned, while the rice is under-seasoned. When you taste them together because of the savory feel from the salt, first you taste the crispy green onions. As the salt moves to the rice, and amylase breaks down the rice starch, next you realize the sweetness of the rice. From the crispy green onions to the sweetness of the rice, the transfer of flavor happens right on your tongue. As you continue to chew, a pine nut explodes between your teeth. The nutty flavor of toasted pine nuts all of a sudden filled your entire mouth. The taste of the fried rice has been further intensified as a whole. As you swallow it down, the story ends right here.